Hello, Shamai, Plamedi Adui. My name is Plamedi, and today we are going to do a movement workshop which is centered around the theme of whimsy, and I will be focusing on a bird, so how a bird moves, and we're just going to explore that. And this is...
Hello everyone, my name is Mujibo.
Hello, my name is Dominica.
Okay, so with the workshop, we're first going to start with a warm-up because you all need to get your blood pumping and just get used to, you know, your hands and your legs and head moving everywhere. Yeah? So just free yourself, have fun, most importantly. So what we're going to start with first, we're just going to start with a shake. So just shake your body, shake everything off, shake all the stress, all the overthinking and everything. Just free yourself, yeah? Like a bird. Free yourself, your body, your legs. So start with your legs, walking it up to your arms, and then release, come back. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But we will incorporate our legs. But first, I want you to have like the option of deciding whether you want to do it with your legs or whether you want to do it with just the top part of your body. Yeah? So the move is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 without incorporating the leg. So you're shaking off to the right, shaking it all to the left, shaking it all to the right, shaking it all to the left. But we're just going to do it very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we add the legs. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're jumping, yeah? Or if it makes it easier, you can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But that makes you go back, so I would suggest you just jump sideways, yeah? So 3, 2, 1 with the leg, starting on the right. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, carry on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, carry on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just so you can relax, we'll do the tough part. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I shout leg, you incorporate the leg. Carry on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1, the legs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Relax your body. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to use our hands to observe how a bird would move and how the wind would blow it from each side to the other, and just explore it. Be very creative and free. You can do anything. And then after we're done with that, you're going to turn into the birds. Yeah? Okay, so we're going to start with just the wind blowing the bird as the bird is flying in the sky. You can do anything. The wings could be going opposite ways. You can use your body as well. Free yourself, be creative. This is all about freeing yourself. Birds are very free, very, very free. Free yourself, free yourself. Now you become the bird. So the same freedom you were able to demonstrate, I want you to demonstrate that with your body. So now you're the bird. What you're going to do is wind, 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 wind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So everyone with me, starting on the left. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, in, back, in. So after we do that, the next move is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? So that's our routine. So you start with the wind blowing you from left to right, And then you come out as the bird. You go back as a bird. And then the last move is step, 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 step. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's very good. Now we're going to put that all together with the spin to end. Yeah? 3, 2, 1, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. And spin. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Nice. Okay, now we're going to do that one more time. One more time, putting it all together without me telling you what to do. I'm just going to be going da, 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 da. 3, 2, 1, go. And da, 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 and da, 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 da. Last time. Da, da, da. Forward, back, da, da. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. And again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back, 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 back. Stop. Nice. Diane. Well done, everyone. Now we're just going to cool down and relax and chill, you know? You've had a very adventurous day as a bird. Now you just want to chill. So you go all the way out, stretch out, and you come all the way back in. And then everyone rise up slowly. Stretch it all the way up. And slowly come back. Exhale. Make sure you're breathing in and out as you're doing it. Breathe out. And then breathe in. Well done.